Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Gonna give this Medico Challenge Lock round 3. I failed on the first 2 attempts, and I decided to remove the circlip off the back of the lock. I noticed that my feedback improved a ton. Now, if y'all want to call that cheating, that's fine, but we're gonna go with it and see what happens. I have not got or looked at the key yet. But I just noticed how badly the core was binding, just tensioning back and forth. It's like it was really gritty or needed lube. So I popped that C-clip off just to see if that changed anything, and feedback improved dramatically. So one, two, three, four. Come on, 4. Pin 1 is binding really hard. Nice plug movement there. Check everything else. Feels like pin 3. Just check and make sure I don't have any counter rotation on anything else. 6 is jiggling. Let me start checking rotations. Let me double check. 6, 5, 4. All right, no counter rotation. Come on. Come on, I think it's pin 3. That is binding so hard, or biting so hard the rotation is. There we go. That was pin 5 that was holding me up there. Oh, man. Still a very hard lock. I suck at Medico, but even the top stack was hard to decipher. I think there was some mixing of the sidebar and the top stack. All right. Again, I removed the clip because it was binding up the lock. If that wasn't what I was supposed to be doing, apologies, I'm a cheater. Let's look at the key too. All right, the 6 was definitely holding me up. That was a lot lower than what I thought it was. Also 4 and 5, I thought 4 was a lot taller. Let's shim this. I mean, since we got the key, there we go. Let's get this shimmed. I'm not even sure what follower I need. All right. See if we did anything to the sidebar. Sidebar is stuck on this side. nothing done to the sidebar that I can tell. Let me get these two little springs. I don't want to lose somebody's challenge lock parts. All right, that was pin 3 there. And I put it in 2 because why not? Get that down, get that focused so y'all can see. All right, 1, 2, so that was 3, 4, 5, 6. Just trying to show the gates. All right. We definitely got some counter rotation. Oh, I still got the shim in there. I know one was giving me counter rotation, so I'm expecting some. Oh, nice. And that was sitting in there like that. Nice little spooling on 2. 3. 4 was serrated. 5. And 6. Looks like the same springs. I don't really want to mess with springs. There's a sidebar groove. And I'll do a close up of these pins. There we go. So we got some spooling on this one. This is how it was in the Bible. So, but those little sort of thick, those deep serrations actually acted like spooling. 3 definitely gave a lot of counter rotation. And 6 would counter rotate if you overset for whatever reason. I don't know if it's just the way that little bit of coning on the end accidentally made it do it, but I would get some counter rotation on 6, which was tripping me up for a minute too. But there's Goldilox, the Medico challenge lock. Again, thanks to Artistic Comedian for sending it to me. Congrats on whipping me for the first 2 attempts. All right, man.